नाव का? So I have all these amazing friends from Goa and some from Pune.
Hi.
Hi.
This is our Black Mamba. Hey. She's from Africa. Hey.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing really good and I hope you have watched my previous vlog of Goa of day 1 and day 2. Now I'm expecting you to watch this vlog too. So this is the day 3rd of my Goa trip. अभी मैं ready हो गई हूँ and we are going to Kalangut beach and there is Harshu. So we are going to Kalangut beach for getting some morning fresh air, fresh vibes. तो अभी हम जाएंगे वहाँ पे बैठेंगे, spend some time there and get back. आके फिर वापस breakfast वगैरह करेंगे. So we haven't done any breakfast or anything, just ready होके जा रहे. Alright, so yeah, let's go. Just have a look at my outfit which is giving absolute Goan vibes. So yeah, we'll leave now. और ये है हमारी गाड़ी जो हर्षु चला रही है. I'll just sit back and go. So we are at Kalangut beach right now and trust me, I did not like this beach at all. इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है. मतलब पीसफुल तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. It's the worst beach that we have seen and visited. So I recommend please do not visit Kalangut. कोई और अच्छे beaches है जैसे मॉर्जिम अच्छा था ना, मॉर्जिम अश्वेम वगैरह. You can just go there. अरम्बोल है यार, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. So yeah, that's my recommendation or suggestion. Do not come here. तिथे असतील ना. So there is all shopping street हमारे घर के नीचे wherever we are staying and it's very convenient. सीधे ही जाएंगे तो there is Kalangut beach and बहुत ही नज़दीक यहाँ पे बागा बीच भी है and there are lot of shops to do good street shopping. So yeah, we will be going to the beach now and do some water sports over there. Keep watching. Harshu. So we are on the streets of Kalangut and we are searching for some company water sports के लिए. वो लोग कुछ बताएंगे उनके सर्विसेज के बारे में. We'll pay over there and then these guys will do some water sport. So yeah, we will do some water sports. So they have given 5 things in 1100 rupees. I think that is really very reasonable. So yeah, let's go there now, ka? Chalo, let's take a ride on jet ski now. I'm so excited and
कॅप पडली किती.
yeah, this was a really very adventurous and exciting day, and thanks to my friends जिनकी वजह से मैंने ये किया, because I was not going to do that. But yeah, अच्छा लगा, and some tans are really good. It was really very exciting. थोड़ा सा scary भी था कुछ rides पे. The most that I enjoyed was parasailing. It was the best, and I wish उन्होंने ज़्यादा time के लिए किया होता वो. बस 30 to 40 seconds तक उन्होंने ऊपर रखा. So the third day was very adventurous and exciting. I hope the fourth would also go well. So yeah, keep watching this video and we'll get to the next day. So yeah, bye.
Welcome to Goa, guys. This is your Ankita's second boyfriend.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He's
नहीं,
our
normal
friend
kind.
from Goa,
Yeah.
and ये हमें सब जगह लेके जा रहा है. We are searching a girlfriend for him, है ना?
Yeah, obviously मैं South Indian, love to.
अच्छा, साउथ इंडियन गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए उसे. So he says he is very cute and chubby guy. He's taking us around everywhere, and that's really sweet of him. Because of him, things are getting easier for us. Thanks, Gitesh. Thank you,
Yeah, we all love you, man. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Do tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Please, man, like me, beer था बोला.
Please
Like, share, and subscribe the Umania, Umania, poo. Go for it, man.
He is very crazy. Please ignore. We are having this amazing goldfishes. This is Lepo, they said, and this is Vello, right?
Yeah.
Vello. Okay, so I'll have this now.
See you tomorrow, man.
Okay, this is a Goan rice thali. Then you get a rice with a papad, roasted with surmai in Marathi, and in Goan you get iswan. This is the iswan curry, means surmai curry. This is a flour bhaji. This is sol curry. And this is salad. This is a typical Goan rice plate, which you get a cheaper price, but the best to have a pleasure with the food. Happy tummy is a happy meal.
So this is the broken church in Goa. Oh God, look at it, how it's standing there. We'll go inside and see if they are allowing us. It looks really very amazing there. And now we are at the broken church of Goa, Old Goa again. And trust me, it looks really very amazing. Next is this amazing place in Goa, again Old Goa, जहाँ पे कौन सा मूवी शायद दे दनादन या ऑल द बेस्ट या गोलमाल 3 इनमें से कुछ शूटिंग हुआ था ये मूवीज़ का, एंड इट लुक्स रियली कूल अगेन. आई रियली लव द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस यार. It looks so amazing and actually goes with my dress and the Goan vibes. Yeah. ऊपर आ गई मैं, एंड आई शो यू द व्यू बिहाइंड मी. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. बहुत नीचे देयर आर मैनी अदर चर्चेस दैट वी फ्रॉम हियर. दिस इज सो नाइस, सच अ लवली प्लेस. वाओ, I wish we had such places in Pune too, but yeah, we are having many forts there. So yeah, every place is beautiful in its own way. Guys, मुझे एक नहीं समझ में आता, why do we do these things? इतने अच्छे places पे ये सब क्यों करना चाहिए? What do you think, Harshu? Is that right?
No.
Can we please stop such things? It is such a beautiful and lovely place. Why do we have to do all such things over here, guys? We are so educated. We are proud of our country and whatever we have over here. Then please avoid doing such things. अच्छा लगता है जैसा है वैसा रहने दो, right? So I have met this person. He is Geetesh's friend, childhood friend, right?
Yeah, childhood
Yeah.
friend.
So he is from Goa. These guys are from Goa, and I asked him a few things about Goa, and I hope you will tell my viewers about this place and about old Goa
Yeah,
and whatever.
definitely.
Yeah, just a minute.
It's me, Sumi. She introduced me very well, and I'm lucky. I'm feeling good to introduce in her channel. So I'm brought up at bottom of Goa. We are in the old Goa side.
Okay.
Okay, so this is old Goa meant for the famous place like old Goa church. There are two churches over here. One is monument and the other one is just structured by our people. And the famous thing to see in the Goa.
Okay.
So basically in the back side of that, she'll introduce the places. She had clicked the photos. She'll
Yeah.
mention it. So I'll introduce our nice and short and crisp to tell about Goa. Goa is a place where every island is meeting. There are villages in the island. They are meeting. This is the connectivity. There is no bridges.
Okay.
Apparently, like few bridges are made because of the crowd, but there are still this ferry. We call in Goan language a ferry.
Okay.
So from there, vehicles are transported from that island to this island
Oh.
for accommodation, like to daily transport. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a ferry. You should obviously travel. There are no charges for the person, but yeah, for the four-wheeler there are 10 rupees charges. But you should go in that island and see that island and come back to the city side.
Okay.
If we can see these plants over here, it's just called a mangroves, which makes a major part in Goa. They hold this land by they have a firm roots. Stability on the shore of the lakes or the ocean. This is the Sangam where river meets the ocean, and this bay is full covered with a mangroves plant.
Okay.
Okay, so and behind that you got a Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary where there are the birds who are like world famous birds, but in a year all the birds come over here, especially in September. So usually if you are coming to Goa in September, any chance you should go to the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Sorry, Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. And usually there is a boat which takes you inside that this forest and makes there is a way. That's a nice track. You should always visit over there.
Definitely. Thank you so much for all this information. And I have all these amazing friends. Oi, याना इकडे या ना एक मिनिट. इकडे या व्हिडिओ मध्ये. So I have all these amazing friends from Goa and some from Pune.
Hi.
Hi.
This is our black mamba. Hey. She's from Africa. Hey.
All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, do not forget to like, share
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Kita lokande. Kita lokande.
Sorry, not sorry. Bye.